climber. It's kind of all over the place. There's some yellow in there. Go back up here. And this has started its climb back up. Peaked at about 470, dropped down to 70 parts per million, 50 parts per million, was steady for a little bit, and now it's starting to, so now it's dropping. Now it's climbing. Rapidly. Been running for about 5 minutes. Shot up to 400, a little over 400 on the light off, and then went back down under 100, and since then has been steadily climbing. It's just steadily climbing. It will not stop. So I'm shutting that off. The air intake, getting its air from in here instead of outside. I took off, I pulled the pipe out and cleaned out some leaves inside the the screen there by the burner tubes. So we're drawing our air in from here. There's no blockages in this pipe in between here and inside the cabinet. We jumped up on initial light off to a little over 500, dropped down again like it did before. O2 is low, and we're climbing up in parts per million rapidly again. It is in. The blower motor is on, so we're running. See that there, just dropped down about 10, now it's shooting right back up past it. Just to prove that it's the air intake, I want to suck this piece of paper into it. We are climbing still. Seems to do this about every 100 more it goes. Flame look like in here? There is no flame anymore.